Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a card share video. Today I am using the Spellbinders Just Add Cake birthday card making kit. I've shared this kit with you in previous videos, so there's another die set that I wanted to use. And when I initially saw the die set that I used, I knew I wanted to kind of put a different spin on it. So let me share with you the items that I used. Not very many to create this card. So from my little die folder here, I think I've shared this before. It's gotten dirty. But anyway, I used the Perfect Touch Arches and Tags from Spellbinders. And then I also used from Waffle Flower the sub-sentiments called Boo. So you kind of see where I'm going already. And then I used from the kit this die set with the monster that's eating a pizza. Pizza. So when I said pizza, that totally threw me because, you know, I thought of the commercial. So I should have said a slice of pizza. But anyway, when I saw him, you know, he's a monster. So, of course, I thought of Halloween. So I made a Halloween card. So this is my first Halloween card of the year. And here it is. I think it turned out super cute. This little pumpkin is from the Spellbinders Halloween kit from last year. I cut out some extra of those, but I did destash that kit so someone else could have fun using it. But I do have some dies that I cut out the items with for my stash. So didn't this turn out cute? This is I just like him with his little Harry Potter glasses. So that's a way that you can kind of extend the use of your dies or the card kits. You know, this is a birthday card kit, but I made a Halloween card. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.